3 weather alert day. Let's get a check of our forecast now with meteorologist Kelly Curran. How are conditions right now?
Yeah, we're continuing to track those rain showers, the mountain snow, and then of course now we're dealing with some pretty strong winds out there as well. This is a look at Doppler radar where again we're seeing that main line of showers from Modesto here up through Grass Valley. Sacramento, we've got kind of a dry spot right now. Stockton and Modesto still seeing some scattered shower activity, but the heaviest of that rain is actually coming down near Auburn and Grass Valley at this hour. And as it lifts up into higher elevations, it's going to be switching over to snow, and that snow is going to be sticking around in the Sierra throughout much of the day today. You can see that still coming down all around the lake. Kirkwood, Bear Valley also still seeing some of that snow. Arnold seeing some light rain. Sonora, so same for you, but you've got a band of more moderate rain on the way. But notice Stockton, Tracy, Modesto, it's kind of becoming more scattered now that that main line has moved to the east. Temperatures 51 degrees right now in Sacramento and in Stockton. Winds, Yuba City 33 mile per hour sustained winds. Of course, the gusts are even higher. In fact, Yuba City clocking a gust right now at 53 miles per hour. Sacramento clocking a gust at 40 miles per hour. We're going to be talking more about that as we head throughout the morning, Leticia.
Thank you so much. And right now, thousands of people don't have power across Northern California. And this is a live look at the PG&E outage map. New orange boxes keep popping up every minute, and those mean several thousand people are without power this morning. You can see the biggest outages are in our area in Yolo County, near Woodland in Calaveras County, and in Nevada County as well. No word yet when that power will be restored. We are tracking the snow in the Sierra and rain in the valley. KTVA3's Brian Hickey is in Live Tracker 3 this morning, and KTVA3's Aaron Heft is in Blue Canyon. Let's begin with Brian. And Brian, where are you right now?
Leticia, right now we are on westbound Interstate 80. We're approaching the Highway 65 connector here, and on the eastbound side, just past 65, there's a large puddle of standing water there. We just passed it, are seeing cars plow into it, but fortunately there have not been any incidents in that spot yet. But as I take a look at the camera on the roof of Live Tracker 3, from this angle looking down, you can see the ponding on the roadway right now. And if you are speeding above or even near the speed limit, you really need to be careful with the potential for hydroplaning, as that main front has moved off to the east, and that's where we're still experiencing some of the heavier rain. For downtown Sacramento, at least we've had a little bit of a break there, and some of the ponding and flooding that we had reported there is starting to ease up. Here's a look at the road weather index on our traffic computer, and you can see here the areas of blue. That indicates where we do expect to see ponding on the roads. It takes into account the rain rate, that's how fast the rain is falling, and the ability of the roads to clear that. And you can see where we are here on Interstate 80 and Highway 50 out through Cameron Park. Still some blues there, but back towards Sacramento and out across the causeway, the roadway is just wet now, but not seeing some of that heavier accumulation on the roadways. So a little bit safer for drivers there, but where you see blue, those are the areas that you should really be careful heading out onto the roads here in the Sacramento area. You can see though, as far as the travel speeds go though, we're not really seeing any delays along the 80 and 50 corridor, and 5 and 99 now have cleared up nicely as well in terms of any delays. But again, just because you can go the speed limit doesn't mean you should under these conditions, again, because there is a lot of water out there on the roadways, and in some areas still pockets of flooding where storm drains have been jammed up by leaves and debris that have been pushed in there by the rain. So that is the very latest here in Live Tracker 3. We are now in Roseville, coming up on Eureka, Atlantic Road area there. We'll keep an eye on traffic for you as we make our way in towards Sacramento. Send it back to you.
Brian, thank you so much for your coverage this morning. And we want to check on more power outages at the moment in our area. And this is a live look at SMUD's outage map for Sacramento County. About 2,200 customers don't have power right now. The biggest outage is in Citrus Heights. No word yet on restoration.